Hi guys, my name is Grace, and today I'm going to be taking you through the outline feature of Snap&Read. So I already have the extension pulled up, my toolbar is on the right hand side, and we're actually going to come down to the bottom corner here and open the garage door feature, as we like to call it. And that's going to come up with a big menu for us. Now these are all outlines that I've done in the past, but I'm actually going to start a new one. So to do that, I'm going to click the big plus button, and that's going to take me to this outline. So there's a couple different ways that you can add to this outline. The first is just typing. So I can type NASA landed a rover on Mars. And then click enter. It'll save that bullet point when you click enter, and then it will start a new one. Another way you can do that is by coming to this bottom tool on the top part of the toolbar. And if you click that, it'll turn on. And you can actually highlight text in an article that you're reading, and it'll plop it right into the outline for you. So I'm going to highlight this first part of the sentence right here. And right away, all I have to do is highlight, and it throws it right into my outline. And it actually brings a hyperlink in as well. And that's going to link the page that you got the information from to make sure you don't forget where you got that information. And that's really helpful if you're supposed to be creating a works cited or a bibliography for a paper or something like that at school. Now, if you want to edit the bullet points, you can come and click on the bullet point. There's a couple different options. You can add another hyperlink if you want. You can indent the bullet point, so it will look like that. Or you can outdent it again. Or if you want to throw it away, that's at the bottom. Now, if you want to name your outline to be something other than your first bullet point, you can come click on the title here, and then you can just type whatever you want. I'm going to name this Mars Landing. Click rename, and it'll save. Now, let's say your teacher wants you to take notes in a specific fashion. We actually have loaded into this outline feature a lot of different outlines that you can work off of. So if you come to the top dots right here, you give a click, you go all the way down to add outline template, and click on that. You have a ton of different choices for different note-taking styles and outline styles that you can use. Today I'm going to do the Cornell note-taking system. So I'm going to click on that, and it's actually going to come up with a full outline on my outline of the Cornell note-taking system, and then each bullet point actually explains what's supposed to be put on there. So on the top, I can give it a title. So I'm going to say Mars Landing. There we go. And then it will tell me record your notes using telegraphic sentences. So really short words, and then it says pose questions. So that's one way that you can take notes if your teacher prefers you to use a certain way, or even if you prefer to use a certain way of note-taking. And that's going to be really helpful too. Now, if you want to go into a different outline or start a new one, all you have to do is click this little arrow, and it'll take you back to your home page. And there you go. So obviously very easy, very simple, and a great way to take notes and make sure you remember everything you read.